Good afternoon. We from level 1 group 12. My name is Nika Demegela Putriasani.
And I'm Melian Aura Regita Srikandi.
Today we would like to make some video about inviting someone. Hi Aura, how are you?
Hi Mega, I'm great. How about you?
I'm great too. By the way, what's your hobby?
I enjoy traveling. How about you?
My hobby is swimming.
Oh, nice. What do you usually do in your free time?
I usually go to swimming. How about you?
I enjoy scrolling TikTok and hang out with my friend.
That sounds fun. Are you free time on Sunday afternoon?
Yes, I am. Why?
Would you like to go to Pickup with me?
Sure, I like to.
Okay. What time would you like to meet?
How about 5 p.m.?
That sounds perfect.
Okay, see you on Sunday.
Okay, see you. Have a great day.
Have a good